Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Michael Holmes and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile complimentary recommended services. Let's take a closer look. Here we have a 2016 Toyota RAV4 LE Edition. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors, roof rails, chrome window trim, and deep tinted glass. Its combination of features, passenger space, and everyday utility warrants a closer look if you're shopping for a small crossover SUV. This RAV4 has 17-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, low pressure monitoring and warning system for your safety and convenience. As you can see, this RAV4 is in great condition. It has auto off projection beam, halogen daytime running lamps, along with laminated glass windshield and a really nice color keyed grille with chrome accents to tie the iconic Toyota emblem all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This RAV4 is front-wheel drive and is estimated the driver will receive an impressive 26 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget this RAV4 only has 25,353 miles on it. At the back of the RAV4 you can see the antenna and the sporty lip spoiler along with the rear wiper, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area you can see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for even more space as needed. This cargo area features a concealed storage and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this RAV4 has been very well taken care of. Passengers can also utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal look interior accents. The driver and passengers alike will be very comfortable in their adjustable fabric seats. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This RAV4 is also equipped with door bins, in-dash storage, and fade-to-off interior lighting. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with one-touch driver. This RAV4 has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. This touchscreen display is home for your in-tune multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using your USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have large climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines making backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. And again, this vehicle is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as the 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, a lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program, where we will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at 888-272-5869 or visit us again at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.